Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to review Wya Dating App. Wya is a modern dating app designed to help people make genuine connections through engaging and interactive experiences. Instead of endless swiping, it focuses on real conversations and shared activities that bring matches closer in a more natural way. The app encourages authenticity and fun by letting users answer creative prompts, play games, and discover compatibility beyond just photos. Wya aims to make online dating feel more personal, lively, and meaningful for singles looking for something real. Let's see its features. Wya offers a range of creative and interactive features to make dating more engaging. It includes photo and video discovery modes that help users express themselves authentically. The unique blind date option lets you see a person's bio before their photos, focusing on personality first. Icebreaker questions make starting conversations easier, while the AI-powered profile generator helps create an attractive and personalized profile effortlessly. Now, we will see its pricing. Wya is completely free to use at the moment, with no paid or premium plans available. Here, we will talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Wya Dating App focuses on personality and authenticity, offers rewind and bookmark options, and presents fun, interactive questions. On the downside, the user base is small in some regions, a paid plan might be added later, and matches are limited outside major cities. Here, we will talk about customer reviews. Users appreciate Wya's modern design and the unique blind date feature that focuses on personality first. However, some users mention getting a few matches and experiencing low activity on the app. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.